Hello guys, it's me, Gabby, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you what's inside my bag. This video was requested by you guys in the comment section. So now you're going to see what actually is inside my bag. Disclaimer first. This video will be taken in one continuous shot because of the coronavirus, my editors can't really edit much of this video. So this is going to be a plain one continuous shot bag haul. So let's get started. This rip curl bag was given to me by my mother after my graduation ceremony. This was a graduation gift. So inside my rip curl bag is surprise, another bag. So this bag was given to me on my birthday by my father. And inside this bag is, guess what's inside? Another bag. So this one was given to me by my Nina on Christmas. And you're probably going to be cringing at this because inside this bag is voila, another bag. But actually this isn't an ordinary bag. This is a first aid kit. We use this first aid kit at home. This contains all our essentials for injuries. But actually the story goes, my mother actually brings this bag, first aid kit on vacations because you never know what will happen on vacation. So what's inside the first aid kit? Of course, essentials. So the first part of my first aid kit is alcohol because it kills 99.9% of germs. Just in case you're in a bus and there's no clean water and you can't go to a restroom, you can use this to clean your hands. The second part is cotton pads and cotton balls. These are used to clean around an injury or small cuts or even larger cuts and bruises, along with betadine. This is used to clean with cotton pads to prevent infection on the wound. The next is gauzes to cover the wound. And if it's a smaller wound, you can use band-aids. So you're on vacation and you accidentally trample yourself at the baba. You get a sprain and you must use I forgot what they're called. A bandage. Okay, this is a band-aid, this is a bandage. And to secure a bandage around your sprain is you need to use a safety pin. So for skin irritations such as burns, rashes, or mosquito bites, you can use ointment or cream. Just rub it a little and all the redness will be gone in a few minutes, and all the itchiness. But if you want to prevent yourself from getting bitten by mosquitoes earlier, you can use mosquito repellent, so you won't use mosquito ointment. Next is baby wipes or antiseptic wipes to wipe around dirty areas of your body. So if you want to play surgeon, you can use rubber gloves to prevent your hands from getting dirty, and tweezers. Just in case you get a tick on your skin or a splinter when you touch wooden surfaces, you can use this to remove the splinter. And lastly, an important part in today's world is face mask. Because face mask prevents you from getting sick from inhaling the germs spread by coughing individuals around you. So you must use this to prevent the spread of coronavirus. But a first aid kit has another smaller bag inside of it. So this bag contains medicine you can use while on vacation or when you're at home feeling sick. Some of these include medicines for diarrhea, medicines for fever, medicines for motion sickness, and so on and so forth. And that's it for my bag haul. So everything inside the first aid kit is these items. Why are they important? amount of money, while you can remedy yourself while the injury is still small. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!